Hello everyone, if you're trying to use the map in Crimson Desert and your game keeps freezing and then crashing, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Crimson Desert crashing on your PS5 easily. So first off, what you're going to do is you're going to go to your game's lobby here, and now what you're going to do is you're going to hover onto Crimson Desert, and then you're going to click onto the start button on your controller and it will open up this menu. Now what you're going to do is you're going to go into restore license here, and once you click onto restore license, it will restore the license for Crimson Desert. And now you're going to go back into that start menu again, and this time you're going to click on to check for update. And once you click on to check for update, it will try to look for any updates, and if there are, it will install those latest updates on your game. Once it's done with that, now what you're going to do is you're going to restart your console fully. So just hard restart your PlayStation 5, and once it's done with the restart, now you can go back into your game and try to open up your map, and you'll see that your map will not crash your game anymore. It will work smoothly. So this guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.